Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
Ethyl magnesium chloride to propan-1-ol. First we can write the reactant and product. Okay, what is reactant? Ethyl. Ethyl means what? CH3, CH2, magnesium chloride. Correct? And what is the product? Propan-1-ol. What is propan-1-ol? CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Before doing the conversion, you must definitely know this hint. Grignard reagent plus methanol gives primary alcohol. Okay, and also you have to cross check the number of carbons. Okay, see in Grignard reagent how many carbon is there? 2. Okay, and primary alcohol how many? 3. So 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, so it is perfectly fit there. Now we can do the conversion. So the Grignard reagent is what? CH3, CH2, MgCl. Correct? It is reacting with what? Methanol. What is methanol? HCHO. Correct? Okay, now how the reaction happens? See, this bond shift towards here. Oxygen become negative, carbon become positive. This bond will break. C become negative, Mg become positive, and this C will go towards this carbon, Mg go towards oxygen. Correct? And what you will be getting? See, you will be getting. See, first I am writing this. Okay, this part. So I am writing on that carbon. H is there. Correct? Okay, and it carry what? A positive charge. Correct, right? On that carbon who is coming and attaching? CH2, CH3. Correct? Now on oxygen who is attaching? O, MgCl. Understood, right? Now I am writing it in a proper way. See, CH3, CH2, CH2, OMgCl. Hope you understand. So we can write like, first I am writing this CH3, okay, this CH3. Then I am writing this CH2, okay, CH2. Then I am writing this CH2, okay, CH2. Then what? OMgCl. Now what is the last step? See, you have to add water. H2O or HOH in the presence of H plus, okay. Now what will happen? See, this bond will break. This bond break. H become H plus, O become O minus. This bond will break. Mg become Mg plus and O become O minus. Okay. Then this H plus will be taken by O minus and OH minus will be taken by MgCl. So what you are going to get? CH3, CH2, CH2, that O minus take H plus. So it become OH. And what is the byproduct? Mg is taking OH, right? So MgOHCl. Byproduct is not very important for conversion. So this is our required answer. CH3, CH2, CH2OH. One important thing, see, these two are same, right? This I rearrange and draw like this. This is not a reaction. See, I rearrange this in a proper way. Okay, so no need to represent it twice. Okay, so you can just cut this part. Okay, directly connect this. You understand what I'm saying? So the reaction is like this. We start with ethyl magnesium chloride. We add what? Methanol. We got an intermediate. Okay, we add water and we got the final product. What is final product? Propan-1-ol.